What's up, party people? AndroidStud here, and I have the Essential phone. One of the things that I get a lot of questions about is where can I get a good screen protector for this phone? I've used a couple that haven't been very good, but I really wanted to try a tempered glass, so I wanted to thank the folks over at Poetic. They make a tempered glass for the Essential phone. They also make cases, but I hit them up. They sent this over to me, so I wanted to thank them out, and I'm going to try it out. So let's put this on and see what we get. Alright, so Poetic makes some really nice cases, but they make a screen protector for the Essential phone, and it's a tempered glass. Comes in some nice packaging. Obviously you get the tempered glass, you get a microfiber cloth, you get an alcohol wipe, also a dry wipe, and then some, so you want to pick up your dust off the screen. So let's take a look at this screen protector, tempered glass. As you can see, nice little look. It's got the black on the bottom, black on the edges, so we're gonna see how this is gonna look. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to turn off the phone, wipe this sucker down like so, get all your any dirt. If it was dirty, this had a regular screen protector on here that I wasn't crazy about. So you just want to get this nice and clean. Take this wet wipe here, wipe it down. Wash your hands too. I found being real clean with this helps you apply this a little better. And it comes with a little wet wipe here. You can wipe it down here, get all the dust off so you don't have any dust on here. You want to get it real good. You want to take this dry one here, come across it 1 or 2 times, make sure you get everything off like so. And I like to do these at night so that you can let it sit overnight. Now you want to take your little dust absorber that they put in the package. This is a nice little dust absorber. Kind of get all your stuff, I live in Florida, there's a lot of dust here. Yeah, you can't stop it most of the times. Now if you really want to go straight Poetic, no pun intended, turn on the bath, put some hot water going. You want to apply this in the bathroom. Some people do that, not me. There you go. Alright, what I did is I put this in a case just to have a guide to put the tempered glass on. I have this in one of my cases. They say that helps out. I've seen a lot of comments and reviews when it comes to this tempered glass, so we're gonna give it a shot like that. We're gonna make sure there's no more dust in here, get everything real nice. Then we're gonna pull this off here, the back. Then we're just gonna place it in here real nice. You just use the camera as a guide, and then the sides of the case as another guide. That's it. Stick it on there real good. Looks like it's on there. And that's the tempered glass for the Essential phone. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. So this is on here, man. Looks pretty good, not gonna lie. On my Essential phone, it's a lot better than that screen protector that I had on there that was real, it wasn't good. So this is the Poetic. tempered glass. You can pick this up from them on Poetic, or you can pick it up from Amazon. I'll drop a link down in the description. I'm gonna try this for a little bit, man. I'm gonna let it sit overnight, and we'll see how it goes. This is the tempered glass for the Poetic, from Poetic, for the Essential phone. So hopefully this is the one that could be nice. But yeah, this looks really good actually. You can still see real good. The touch sensitivity is excellent, so you got no issues there. All right, man. Well, I'll check you guys later. Thanks for watching AndroidStud. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Google+. Please subscribe to the channel, man. Like this video, leave a comment, you got any questions, and let me know if you got this after you've seen this video, or you already got it before you saw this video. But this is the tempered glass for the Essential phone. Thanks, guys. Peace.